So he calls it, are you ready for this?
I'm on the edge of my seat.
He called it the content cache machine method.
Whoa, okay. Content cache machine method.
Whoa. Okay.
Yeah.
Content cache machine method. That's catchy.
Right.
But like, is there more to it than just the name?
Oh, yeah, there's substance behind the sizzle, for sure.
Oh, good, good.
So he explains, how he uses these high-value tutorials, right? Gives them away for free on AI tools.
Okay.
And obviously that attracts an audience that's already interested in what he has to offer in his paid programs.
That's so smart.
Right. That's like, it's natural, right?
They come for the free stuff, but then they're like, oh, this guy knows what he's talking about. I need more.
Totally, totally. Like, I'm already sold on the concept, so I want to know what the upgrade is, right?
Exactly, exactly. It's like offering a free test drive of a Tesla, right?
Yeah.
Get a little taste of the good life and suddenly you're old, whatever. It just doesn't seem as appealing anymore.
Yeah, you're like, I need to upgrade.
Exactly, exactly.
Okay, so before we get to that buy button, though.
Okay.
What does he do to, make the community a place where people want to be?
So he talked about visuals, like strong visuals are key.
Okay.
But he's not saying you have to go out and hire some fancy branding agency.
Right.
He actually uses a combination of Fiverr and Canva, creates professional looking logos and graphics all on a budget.
Okay, I love that he's making this accessible.
Absolutely. That's a big part of his thing.
Yeah.
He even uses AI.
Oh, really?
Mid-Journeys specifically to generate these unique background images for his courses.
Now.
So he's really walking the walk, not just talking the talk.
I love that. Okay, so he's using AI, but how does he onboard people?
Okay, so he stresses the welcome message.
Okay.
He says, a killer welcome message is super important.
Okay.
This isn't just, hey, welcome to the group.
Yeah.
He gives you a whole framework for how to structure it to get people engaged. He even has them share their goals.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so they feel like they belong right away.
So how else does he keep that engagement up?
Okay, so he does Q&As regularly.
Okay.
But they're not just him talking at people. He actually uses them to connect, right?
Okay, nice.
Address their challenges, gets feedback.
So smart. It's like he's getting...
Which he uses, by the way, to then shape his content, his offerings.
It all feeds back in.
Exactly. It's a beautiful cycle, right?